Hi, it's Christina.Moon with Fairway Independent Mortgage. Today we're doing something a little bit different. Now, as you know, as a lender, I help families finance their home, and oftentimes I get to know them really, really well. And they always say, you know what, I want to do a little something different before I get in the house. A great option that's inexpensive is flooring. So today we're here at Floor Decor to show you some options and to talk with their design team. All right, so we're here at Floor Decor and we're here with Freya and Maria with the design team. Hi. So we're going to talk a little bit about flooring and walk around your beautiful new store. It's here in South Summerlin. And yeah, so really excited. Thanks for having us.
Thanks for coming in. Thanks for promoting our business and free design services.
Yeah, so, okay, when I bought my last house, I was looking to do just some quick little fixes like floor, maybe paint, and I read that Floor Decor had free design services. And I went in and literally had my whole house kind of redesigned by a professional, and it was so great. One-stop shop, I loved it. Got my paint colors, you know, she just gave me paint ideas, got my paint colors, got my flooring, tile and backsplash. It was just such a great experience. I just had to bring you guys here. All right, so with that, should we walk around or you can show us what some of those options are? What are the flooring trends today that you want to share with us?
So a lot of our options that we do are tile and vinyl. Two big differences pretty much are on the lifestyle. If you don't like a lot of grout lines in your floors, or if you don't like something that's so cold, you can do a luxury vinyl plank. It's very cost effective. A lot of them are, and they're very heavy duty and waterproof.
Love it. That's what I did.
So I'd like to start with a good price point, $269 for a large format tile. The pros to that is you have a lot less grout lines on your flooring or walls, but a good price point at $269.
So what's a good color for today? Like, is it popular to go with the whites or more in the earth tones, or?
Depending on the customer. I get customers every day. They're completely different. Some of them are most of them are going for more of a modern looking tile. So gray beiges are really in right now, something that's transitional.
Okay, and then what do you recommend for the grout color?
So I usually, on most of these larger formats, I like to blend the grout color. That way the grout lines are less visible.
Okay, right on. And is it material based? What is this material?
So most of our large formats and a lot of our tiles here in the store are porcelain, which is your best one to go with for wet areas. It's more waterproof. It's cooked at a higher temperature than ceramic tile, so it makes it definitely more durable, more strong.
Okay, great. All right. I love tile. Tile is timeless and it lasts forever.
And the large formats are definitely in, especially around here in the South Summerlin area. You know, it's a bigger area, more open concept homes.
Okay, gotcha.
So it's a great idea.
So if you're in like a 2,000 square foot home, let's say, a starter home, how much is it? Would you put this in the upstairs and downstairs, or?
So a lot of times that's where the vinyl's a great option to go upstairs, because you've got to build the subfloor up strong enough to hold tile upstairs. So most of the time we're going to recommend just tile on the first floor.
Okay.
And probably a vinyl plank upstairs.
Okay. And the tile can go in the bathrooms as well?
Absolutely.
And kitchen areas?
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
Okay, so another great option that I wanted to share with you guys is wood look flooring for tile. It takes the place of having a natural wood in your home, gives you the same look of it without having the maintenance on that.
And so, yeah, this is great because it does absolutely look and feel like it has texture like wood.
Yeah, a lot of these are textured. They do have like a press edge here. Good starting price point. We've got one that starts at $199 a square foot, which isn't bad, all the way up to $469 a square foot.
Okay, great, awesome. And again, you recommend the tiles for the downstairs?
Tiles for downstairs and vinyl better for upstairs.
Okay, and what about the staircase?
That's usually going to be whatever the flooring is that's going upstairs.
Okay.
So if you start with a vinyl upstairs, you probably want to start your stairs with that, because it welcomes you into the upstairs of the home.
Okay, perfect.
So I wanted to start you guys off with some Duralux Performance. This one is a good option if you're interested in a vinyl flooring. It's waterproof, it's scratch resistant, good with kids and animals, really good for like lifestyle. A lot of the trending colors right now, we're kind of swinging into something a little bit more this way, which is interesting because a lot of the times it's been just gray. But we're definitely going into more tones that are more transitional with different colors.
And so you said this is a floating floor.
Yes, ma'am.
So if there's already tile on the floor, you can save some money by just laying this over it.
Yes, I only recommend that if you can tell that the tile is in good quality. You don't have any pieces of tile that are like kind of moving around or not, not set down. If you have chips in the corners, then you're probably going to want to just pull the tile up, because then you don't want any issues from the subfloor causing any damages to the new floor.
Okay, gotcha. And you said there's also an under laminate that you put in?
Yep, so if you're putting this product over tile, you don't need any other type of underlayment, as it comes with a pad already on the back. But if it is going on a concrete subfloor, the only thing we recommend is a vapor barrier per warranty.
Okay, great. And it's great for pets because it's waterproof.
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
So another one I wanted to let you guys know about is our new Core brand. It is another waterproof luxury vinyl plank that we sell here. Biggest difference between this one and the Duralux is that we've got the cork back on this one. So it's definitely really good for more sound reduction. Oh. Perfect for going upstairs where you're gonna have more sound up there. This one's also waterproof. It can go into the bathrooms, and it's good with pets and kids too.
And you still have to put the underflooring, you said, or?
Yep, so the same thing with this one. It does have the cork underlayment, which poses as the backing for that. If it's going on a concrete subfloor, we just need the vapor barrier.
Okay. What does the vapor barrier do?
It actually keeps any moisture out of the concrete to get up into the vinyl. Okay. This one's important because the cork is not waterproof, so the vapor barrier would help with that, say, if there was any moisture to come up from the top.
So could you put this in the bathroom?
Absolutely.
Okay, so you can put this really everywhere in any room.
You can.
Whether it's, okay.
Yeah, and then this one can also go, I believe it's 4,500 square feet without transitions. So this is a perfect option if you want to do your whole floor the same flooring. Mm-hmm. You don't need any transitions unless you're keeping like a tile or a carpet in the home. Okay, so and for our natural stone lovers, we have a great selection of marble tiles that can be used for accent walls or flooring in your home. A little bit more maintenance than you have with the tile. There's no maintenance to that as much as just the grout lines. Whereas the marbles, there is quite a bit of maintenance to this.
Okay, so primarily it's just that you need to reseal it every so often, the whole floor.
And the reason why is because marble or travertine, slate, all of those tend to be a little bit more porous. Mm-hmm. Porcelain tile is not as porous as those. So you want to seal and maintain these, that way they don't pick up all the dirt and nothing soaks up into the stone.
Okay. So yeah, so Floor Decor, like I mentioned, I was fixing up, I bought a house and I was fixing it up, and I learned about the Design Center by checking out their website, and they were amazing. They helped me with everything. Great flooring options that were affordable for me, helped me pick some paint colors that would match with it. It was just a great experience. So you definitely have to check out their Design Center and their wonderful team. Freya and her team will help you out, and give them a call. How can they reach you?
So you can book an appointment with us online. You can always call us here at the store, and also walk-in appointments. We can schedule you for that next appointment. Definitely recommend it. It is free services. If you need a contractor too, we can hook you up with the right contractor to come out to do the job. And from that point on, we help you from the beginning, from taking samples home to designing the entire home or just bathroom, all the way to getting to your installation done.
Okay, awesome. So yeah, you guys, you just want to remember that when you're looking to finance your home, yeah, I'll help you with your loan and getting into the house. You can also do, if you're looking to buy, let's say, a fixer-upper, and you want to do a little more extensive repair where maybe it's flooring and it's kitchen and fixtures and other things like that. You can also consider doing a renovation loan, which is a great way to finance all of those fixes into your home buying power. And with that, I want to thank Freya and the Floor Decor team for having us here and letting us walk around and sharing some design tips with us. Thank you.
We look forward to working with you in your free design appointments. Just to let you know too, you can always take samples home. We do 12 months interest-free financing all year long.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.